Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is this method in Java, how we can call it and how we can use it. So, what is this method in Java? It is used to call constructor. Ensure calling is being done from another constructor only. Ensure it is first statement while calling constructor. And one more topic we will discuss in this tutorial today. What is constructor chaining in Java? So when we are calling one constructor from another constructor, it is called as constructor chaining, and we can do this by using this keyword. How? Let's see. So just launch your Eclipse and create one more project. So just press Ctrl N, type Java project, enter. Giving method project name this method. No. So go to this method, double click, go to src, control N, press control N, package. Give package name any, I'm giving package name P1, right? So let's create a class A. So what is the first rule? It is a method that is used to call a constructor. So let's create a constructor. How we can create constructor? Using class name. So I'm creating parameterized constructor here. This method, right? Why it's giving me the, let's see, create constructor A. Okay. So let's create default constructor as ISO, control space for enter, and giving value 10. This method ensure calling is being done from another constructor only, and ensure it is the first statement. This method, this is the first statement while calling constructor. Let's create main method, and main method created. Type MA, press control space bar, enter, and main method will be created. Let's create object of class A1 is equal to new A, right? Let's run the program and see the output. It's giving me 10. Let's create one more class B, class B. Let's create constructor integer x, right? And let's print here some value, so x, right? Create constructor, one more constructor, this method I am using here, 100. Let's create main method, MA, control space bar, enter. Let's create object of class B, B1 is equal to new V. What will be the output? Main method created, education will be start from main method. Object is created. So once object is created, constructor will be called automatically. There is no need to call a constructor. Okay. So which constructor will be called first? I am not passing here any value in object. Let's see what's is giving me output 100. Let's create one more class. So an object without parameter is called default constructor. So it's calling only default constructor. But here we are using this method. This is this method. And what is the use of this method? This method is used to call constructor. Which constructor? Parameterized constructor, right? This constructor. Because here we are passing value, right? And ensure calling is being done from another constructor only. Okay. So this constructor, this is parameterized constructor. And let's come to our tutorial. What is this in Java, right? So it is used to call constructor. Ensure calling is being done from another constructor only. Ensure it is the first statement while calling constructor. Let's here do multi command and paste it here, right? This method in Java, right? So what is this method in Java? It is used to call constructor. Okay, this method it is used to call a constructor and ensure calling is being done from another constructor only. So I cannot use if I am trying to create a simple method, public void test, and here if we are trying to use this method, then it will generate error. It's giving me error. Why? Constructor call must be first argument in a constructor. We cannot use this method within the method. We can use this method within constructor only. So let's delete it. Let's create one more class and class C. So what we will do first? First we will create a constructor. So how we can create constructor using class name? What is class name? C. And I am passing here two arguments, integer x and character y. Let's try to print its value x and so control space bar enter y. Let's create one more what constructor integer x. But what is the class name? Here class name is C, so we have to give C because constructor name should be same name as that of class name, right? So and this is the parameterized constructor and this method is used to call constructor. So using this method we call the constructor, right? So let's give the value 10 and one is character. So single quote, right? Let's create one more constructor and give here value 100. It's giving me error. Why? I'm going to tell you. Constructor call must be the first statement in a constructor. Okay. Um, now working. Why? Because I'm giving here constructor name different A and class name is C. That's why it's giving generating error, right? Let's create main method. Control space bar enter C C1 is equal to new C. So main method execution will be start from main method once Object is created, constructor is called. So which type of this object? An object without argument or without parameter. So it will call this constructor, default constructor, right? Or we can say no constructor. This method is going to call this constructor only one single parameter. Hmm? So and this method is going to call this constructor. So what will be the output? Here integer x value 100, but here we are changing 10. So output will be 10 and 8. I think yes. So what is the use of this method? This method is used to call a constructor, right? And when we are calling one constructor from another constructor, then it is called as constructor chaining, right? So let's create one more class D. Let's create constructor. Give I want to print 100, right? Let's create one more constructor, integer x. This method without argument, so this no argument constructor will be called, right? Or we can say the default constructor. Let's create main method and create one more method, normal method, public void test. This error because this method we cannot use within the method. We can use this method only within the constructor. It is used to call constructor, right? So what is this constructor chaining? Constructor chaining, whenever we are calling one constructor from another constructor by using this keyword, then it is called as constructor chaining. Like if I am giving 200, then what will be output? Let's see that. 200. Why? Okay. So if I am giving parameterized constructor, so this constructor will be called and value 200, and this method will call this constructor, so output will be 100. So here this is also a constructor chaining, right? Because here we are calling one constructor from another constructor. Object is created, default constructor will be called, and this method will be called. This method is going to call this constructor, and here this method is going to call this constructor, right? So whenever we are calling one constructor from another constructor, it is called as constructor chaining, and we can do this by using this keyword. Ensure this method is the first statement while calling constructor. So let's create constructor. SYSO control space by enter 100. One more constructor, integer x, and I'm going to give a first statement. This is first statement. SYSO control space bar 10, right? And I am going to give here one more this method. This So it's giving me error. Why? Constructor call we must be first statement in constructor. So it's giving is it is second statement. Second statement, right?